Hey guys, hopefully you're not getting bored with all these awesome unpackaging videos, but it's the holidays, and I guess the Raffle Plane sponsors are showering the Raffle Plane with gifts. And today we got a really cool one. It's a different angle than we normally do. That's because it relates to the tail wheel. And this package just came today from our friends at the Landing Gear Works. So let's see what's in it. Let's see, we'll start with this. That's a beaut. It's a big tire. Brand new. What else we have? Another box. I think the sponsors are picking up on another way to advertise. We've got some Loctite adhesive and paperwork. Makes my life legal and easier. And this bad boy is part of a huge improvement in landing gear. This is a tail wheel stinger. It is made from titanium, and it's very light. It's maybe 3 or 4 pounds for the whole thing. And I will show you guys where this goes. So this bad boy replaces this big heavy steel one. Oh, that's so satisfying. So that guy goes in here. And essentially this bracket here, also titanium, replaces the bracket that's up in here that holds the original stinger. And what else we got in here? We have hardware and bushings and a tie-down eye for the tail.
I think you're more excited about bubble wrap than this.
Who isn't excited about bubble wrap? Oh, Leatherman? Just kidding, that's mine. And is not sure what's in here. That Leatherman back out.
Can you figure that?
not sure what this is. Maybe a tool? That's where the paperwork comes in handy. I'm not sure if that's for pounding something in place or pounding something out. Maybe, I don't know, I'll have to do some research on that, but possibly to pound that out. And I believe that is about all that we have in this box. So, this is only part of it. This is a third of the whole mod. This is the tail wheel conversion to titanium, but there's also two main landing gear legs with titanium axles and shims and all that that's coming. And I believe I heard the weight savings over the original steel landing gear is like 37 pounds. So that's a lot of extra cargo capacity. So anyway, there's the Landing Gear Works tail wheel setup, and we will be installing that in the next, we take next week off due to the holidays, and then we're going to get right back on it and start cranking this stuff out. So Merry Christmas, everybody have a good holiday season, and we will catch you next time.